Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, good morning and most welcome to all of you to my class. This is my first class with you, and inshallah today I will discuss set and function, which is basically content of chapter 2. So please let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, light and sound quality, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? My dear students, please in the comment section you can give attendance, or also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Now more than 60 students now connect with us. Just I will wait few seconds to engage more students. Please let me know everything is okay or not. So dear students, basically almost you have done set in class 8, and the new content added here, function. So set and function both are connected with each other, and inshallah in the first content, the exercise 2.1, we will do set related math, and the 2.2, this one will be functions. So now dear students, as far as class, I will discuss the different types of set and function where we can apply set in our real life and different types of set. So dear students, basically set is a collection of defined number, fixed number, well-defined number, or counting number, countable number. So by the elements of set are divided into two parts. The roster method, set in roster method, and set in builders method. So first is a set. Set is the collection of well-defined number. Like if we represent here, A is a set whose elements are A, B, and C. Sometimes elements of the set may be alphabet and numerical numbers. So A, 2, A and B. So here in the set B we see the elements of the set. Elements of the set are the numbers and letters. But we cannot write elements. Elements should be in a small letter, but it is with capital letter. But the number almost the same. So I think two types of set in the first one, set builder method, and number two is the set roster method. Roster method. In set builders method, information will be given, but the elements are not given. Like this one, if we give here example, the set builders method. Builders method, like if we mention here A is a set whose elements is X, and X information is given. X is the factors of 8. Another one, set builders method, like this. Another one, roster method. Roster method, the elements are given here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the in the builders method, you see here the elements are not given here directly, but the information which elements will be here, informations are given here. But the roster method, you see here directly elements are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are elements, maybe even number, odd number, the counting number. this is the factors of 8 or multiples of 8 up to 50, or the even numbers 2 to 10, or the odd numbers 1 to 100. So these informations will be given, but not directly elements will not be given. This is called the set builders method. But roster method, you can see the elements indirectly and you can count one by one. So I think two methods is clear to you, which is the set builders method. That means you have to build and you have to form builders method to roster methods or roster method to builders method. Dear students, another one, according to the elements of the set, we can identify different types of set. Inshallah, today we will discuss here the first one, finite set, infinite set, the number 1, finite set, number 2, infinite set, number 3, empty set or null set, empty set or null set, number 4, subset, number 5, proper subset, number 6, power set, number 7, equivalent set, number 8, difference of sets, number 9, universal set, and number 10, complement of set, and number 11, joints and union and intersection of sets. Almost you know, union, intersection, union or intersection sets. So, dear students, in my class, today I will discuss successively the definition of different types of set and the example. Then in my next class, inshallah, we will start from exercise 2.1 directly from academic book. So now I will discuss. I think almost you know what is the definition and what is the definition of this set, union, intersection. I think also in class 8 you have done complementary of set. So dear students, inshallah, briefly I will discuss this content up to 11 and then we will come to our academic maths. The finite set. The first of all, finite set, if we can count the number of elements, if we count number of elements like this one, A is a set here, A is a set whose elements is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5, or B is another set like X is even and X is smaller than 100 and greater than or equal to. So in this condition, the both two sets This set given in builder's method, this one given in roster method. But in both cases, we can count the number of elements. The here number of elements is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the number of elements here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just even number up to 100. So, but we can count. So both set they are called finite set. But the if we write the number here, integer numbers like minus, we can start here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then dot dot. And this is this even numbers. Now in both cases, what we see here, this is this is integer numbers, the positive number and the negative number. The right side is not closed and the left one is also not closed. We cannot count exactly number of elements, how many elements are there, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 up to infinite. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 up to left infinite. So we cannot count how many exactly elements are there. This one is also the same. X is the even number. So if we start here 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 10, 11, 10, 12, 14, 16, but we cannot complete or we cannot find out the last elements. So they are called infinite. They are called infinite sets. So this A and B, they are infinite sets. So my dear students, please let me know and upon finite set and infinite set, is it clear to you or not? Please let me know. Okay, sir. Yes. My dear students, inshallah, in my next class I will conduct with Zoom app, and the first class with you. That's why I am conducting this class in the Facebook Live. So inshallah, my next class we will conduct in the Zoom. So dear student, that I think if you have any questions, so directly you will get opportunity to contact with me inshallah in my class. So now the second concept, the most usable and the common. The next one is empty set. This is one of the most important set in class 10. The concept of empty set. What is empty set and the symbol of empty set? How we can form empty set? So like this one, the empty sets. If we write down here, basically the symbol of empty set like A. Like A is a set here, whose elements we can identify here are like X. X is even number. X is even number, and X smaller than 4, greater than 2. So in this condition, the set elements will be null. This is the empty set, the set which has no elements. The empty set which has no elements. Sometimes you can see the word which is similar to or the equivalent of the empty set, which is the null set. So the null set symbol is the open second bracket, or you can write this symbol, or sometimes you can write These symbols also the same. The few books you can see these symbols, so they are the symbol of the empty set or the null set. But you should give attention the set. This is the elements is 0 and the another set empty set. They are not the same. They are not same. This one is sorry, this one is empty set, this one is not empty set. Its elements is 0. So inshallah today we will discuss the difference in between them. This elements is 0 and this is totally empty. It has no elements or counting number of elements. So empty set is a set which has no elements. Like number of boys students in the girls school. So the empty elements of set will be 0. Another example of the empty set, the number of the students whose age is more than 50 but read in class 9. So these the elements will be 0, empty set. Now dear students, you have to answer few MCQ from the null set. The condition of the null set like this one. If we give you here A is the elements A and B, and B is another set whose elements is not, there is no elements B. So what will be result? A union B. A union B indicating A B union with empty set. The result will be A and B, that is A. So we cannot say if we find the union. So this is the first formula. The formula 1, if we do union A set, A is any set, and if we find the union with the empty set, it is the empty set is B, the final result will be the previous set. This is the first formula. You can memorize here that if we find the union of any set with the empty set, the result will be this set. But if we find the intersection, what will be result here? Okay, now find the intersection in between them. Like if we find the intersection in between them, now what will be result here? If we find the intersection indicates as the common elements in the both set. So there are common elements, there is no common elements. So in times of intersection, we will get here empty set. So now any set A, if we find the intersection with the empty set, the result will be empty or null set. So this is the union and intersection number 2. And now another formula, the number 3, the multiplication. Similarly, I will discuss with you. According to the Cartesian product, you can write here if we find the multiplication with the empty set, the result will be also empty. Another formula, number 4, write down this one. Absolute value of empty set is 0. That means cardinality, counting number will be 0. So there are 4 basic formula. Union will get this set, intersection empty set, the cross multiplication in between empty set or any other set, the result will be 0. Then the cardinality, that is the counting number, cardinality of empty set is the 0. These are the 4 formula. Another formula in my class I will discuss with you, the power set. The power set of empty set will be this one. Inshallah, successively we will prove this formula. In my classes, successively we will prove 1, 2 and these 3 formula. So already we have done 1, 2 and 3. This is the basically properties of empty set. My dear students, please note down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formula in times of MCQ, and you have to answer to see these properties of empty set. Please let me know the concept of empty set is clear to you or not. If you have any question, please let me know. Sir, last এটা বুঝি নাই আরেকটু বলেন স্যার। Okay sir, thank you sir. Sir, last লাইনটা বুঝি নাই। Okay sir, thank you. Dear students, the first information, this is the formula of the empty set. Empty set, the first one union will give you the same previous set, and the intersection give you empty set, and the cross multiplication give you empty set. This is the cardinal number, like this one, the last one. Modulus means absolute, the counting number. How many counting number are there? This indicate us cardinality. That means cardinality means counting number. Cardinality. Cardinality means counting number. Counting numbers. The cardinality, that means counting number of empty set. The empty set has no counting number. There is the absolutely, there is no counting number. So cardinality, modulus or cardinality of empty set will be 0. This is the power set. So in this step I will discuss you the power set of null set will be this one. In the step 7 I will discuss this formula. So my dear students, I think this is now clear. Union, intersection, cross multiplication, cardinality and the power set of empty set. So please let me know if you have any more question. Dear students, please let me know if you have any more questions. I think we are going to start here the next subset and the proper subset and the power set. Thank you sir, it's clear and repeated all. Dear students, okay, inshallah, this is the properties of empty set. Now the next question is the subset. Subset. Like subset from A is a set whose elements is A and B. How many subset we can form here? A is a single set, each and every elements. B is another set, and the A and B together, A and B, the final one is empty. So subset, these are the subset of set A. So how many subset of set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we write down here like B is another set whose elements is 1, 2, 3. The subset, the first, count 1, single elements 1, then 2, the next one is 3. First we count separately. Now take the 2 elements 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Now this one is 1, 2, 1, 3. Another one is 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. The finally number 2 complete. Now number 3, 1, 2, 3. Now 1, the single elements and double elements and the triple elements, and the finally this is the empty. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 subset of set B. So subset, actually subset each are every subset also a set. So subset, if we see here 3 elements, how many elements you will get here? Basically it will depend on the 2 to the power n formula. How many elements? 1, 2, 3. So if we see here 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. There are 2 elements. So 2 to the power n equal 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So subset, basically subset is a set which formed by using the elements of the given set. I think subset concept is clear to you. Dear students, please let me know the concept of subset is clear to you or not. Please let me know. Yes, the formula 2 to the power n. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, the proper subset. Proper subset means another one. The next one is the proper subset. Subset and proper subset. Like A is a set whose elements is A, B and C. B is another set whose elements is A and B. So they are not same, but B is, if we find the subset, B is A, here B is a subset of, B is a subset of A. Just give attention. We see here the subset of A is the total 8 subset. In my previous word number 4, we have find the total subset of A, B, C. We will get here 8 subset. The one of the subset of those 8 subjects will be A and B. Now B is a subset of A. Directly you can memorize each and every elements. Each and every elements of the set B are also the elements of A. So we can write here B is a proper subset of A. Now this is the proper subset, and another symbol if we write here, like A is the elements whose elements is A and B, and B is another set whose elements is A and B. But what we see here, the subset of A is also B, and the one of the subset of B is also A. So this one we can write here, A is a subset of B. But this symbol, my dear students, give attention. This symbol indicates as the proper subset. This is the proper subset. That means this B is smaller than A, not equal. Here A is equal to B and or smaller than B. The elements of A, each and every elements of A is the elements of B. And also the both elements may be equal. In times of equal, this one is called only the subset. This is subset, and this one is proper subset. Proper subset. So please give attention in this symbol. The proper subset, the left one always smaller than this one in elements, counting elements. In the subset, A is a subset of B, or A is equal to B. And here also we can write B is a subset of A. So, but in these two conditions indicate us our A equals to B. This is called the equivalent set. The equivalent set, the elements of both set will be same. But in times of set condition, you have to show like A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. then we can say here A is equivalent with the set B. So this is called the equivalent set. Equivalent set. Equivalent set. So dear students, please let me know the concept of subset, proper set and equivalent set. Is it clear to you or not? If you have any question, please let me know. Now I will review your comments, then I will try to answer as far as you demand. Please let me know everything is okay or not. The concept of subset and the proper subset and the equivalent set. The equivalent set means two sets are equal in elements. That means you have to show A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A equal B, and these both are the same here. Like A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A, both are same in elements, that's why they can also equivalent set. Please let me know. Understood sir? Thank you sir. Sir, set থেকে কি সিকিউ আসবে? Definitely sir, set থেকে তোমাকে অবশ্যই 10 মার্কস এর একটা কোশ্চেন আনসার করতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার স্যার? থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। স্যার ইকুইভ্যালেন্স সেটটা আরেকটু করেন। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। আমি আবার একটু রিপিট করব। ইকুইভ্যালেন্স সেট বুঝিয়ে নি স্যার। ওকে স্যার ওয়াচিং। আমি আবার একটু ইকুইভ্যালেন্স সেটটা রিভিউ করব। দেখো এখানে তিনটা সেট দে আর কানেক্টেড উইথ ইচ আদার। আমাদের ফার্স্ট কনসেপ্ট হচ্ছে প্রপার সাবসেট। দিস ইজ দ্য প্রপার সাবসেট। প্রপার সাবসেট। প্রপার সাবসেট যদি হয় they will not equal, like A equal 1 2 3, B equal only the elements 2 and 3. So here B is a proper subset of A. দেখো এখানে B হচ্ছে B এর সবগুলো এলিমেন্টস A এর মধ্যে আছে, এজন্য আমরা বলি বাট B A এর সমান নয়। আবার এটাও বলতে পারি B হচ্ছে A সেটের যে সাবসেট গুলো ছিল তার মধ্যে B হচ্ছে একটি, যেটি হচ্ছে স্মলেস্ট, নট অল এলিমেন্টস। দেখো তোমরা এখান থেকে যখন তোমাদের টোটালি 8টা সাবসেট আসবে তার মধ্যে একটা সাবসেট হচ্ছে একটা সেট হচ্ছে 2 and 3. So this is the proper subset. And another one, the subset. The subset condition like A equal A, B, A equal A elements of A equal to, and if the elements of B is AB, then what we see here, B is a subset of A is a subset of B, because we will get here 4 elements A, B, AB, and the empty set. Here also A, B, AB, and the empty. In the both case we see here AB and AB. They are the subset, the same subset. So now A is a subset of B and B is also the subset of A. So we can say this symbol. A is a subset of B, or A is equal to B. In this case this is called subset. This is not proper subset. Proper subset should be smaller. This one is smaller than this one. They are not same in elements. So this is so. But if we see here like A is a subset of B, or B is also subset of A. In the two condition we can write here A equal B. They are equivalent. Like example here, A is XY and B is also XY. So what we see here, in this case we can write here B is a subset of A is a subset of B. So this condition show us A equivalent with the set B. A is the equivalent with the set B. So dear students, now I think this concept is clear. Okay, thank you sir. Now next one is the power, another one, power set. Sorry. Power set like this one. A is a set whose elements is x and y, and whose subset of A are ax, y, xy, and the empty. So power set of A, the power set of A taking all subset. If you form another set, this one will be power set. Like now x, y, xy, and the empty. So the power set elements is the subset of this set. The power set is a set which is formed with the elements of the subset of any set. Then the set is called the power set. My dear students, please give attention. The elements of power set, the power set is a set which is formed with the subset of a set. একটা সেটের যে সাবসেটগুলো আসবে, এই সাবসেটগুলো দিয়ে যদি তুমি নতুন করে একটা সেট ফর্ম করো, তাহলে সেটা হচ্ছে পাওয়ার সেট। তাহলে একটা পাওয়ার সেটের মধ্যে যেমন আমি যদি বলি লাইক if b 1 2 3, then power set of the power set of b will be the total subset. আমরা এখান থেকে কয়টা সাবসেট আসবে? 8 সাবসেট. Total number of 8 subset we will count here. There will be like 1 2 3 1 2 1 3, then that 2 3 2 3, and 1 2 3, and the empty set. দেখো 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, এই সেট থেকে আমরা যে 8টা সাবসেট আসবে, এই সাবসেটগুলো নিয়ে যদি আমরা আরো একটা সেট ফর্ম করি, this one will be power set. So I think now concept is clear. Please let me know power set concept. Sir, সাবসেট বার করা ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেটের উপর সেকেন্ড ব্র্যাকেট দিলে পাওয়ার সেট হয়, ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেটের উপর সেকেন্ড ব্র্যাকেট দিলে কখনোই পাওয়ার সেট হবে না। একটু আমি বলি, হ্যাঁ জাফরিন, তোমার এই কমেন্টসটা আমি দেখেছিলাম, অনেক সময় স্টুডেন্টরা আনফরচুনেটলি তোমরা যদি এইভাবে লিখো, যেমন দেখো এই একটা সেট, তার এলিমেন্টস হচ্ছে 1 and 2। এখন তুমি যদি ভুলে যদি তার পাওয়ার সেটটাকে তুমি যদি এইভাবে করো 1 2, then 1 2 1 and 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, then এত যদি এই ফর্মে লিখো তাহলে কিন্তু তোমার হবে না। একটু খেয়াল করো, এই যেহেতু নাম হচ্ছে পাওয়ার সেটের কন্ডিশন হচ্ছে সেটের এলিমেন্টস গুলো সেট আকারে থাকবে। আমি আবার একটু বলি, অনেক সময় স্টুডেন্টরা ভুল করে এখানে সেকেন্ড ব্র্যাকেট ইউজ করে না, দে ইউজুয়ালি ইউজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেট। কিন্তু পাওয়ার সেটের কন্ডিশন হচ্ছে ইচ এন্ড এভরি এলিমেন্টস উইল বি সেট। পাওয়ার সেটের সবগুলো এলিমেন্টস, যেমন দেখো দিস ওয়ান ইজ দ্য ওয়ান এলিমেন্টস, দিস ওয়ান ইজ অ্যানাদার এলিমেন্টস, দিস ইজ দ্য এলিমেন্টস, দে আর দ্য এলিমেন্টস। এখানে তুমি প্রত্যেকটা এলিমেন্টস গুলোকে ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে আলাদা করতে হবে। আবার এলিমেন্টস এর মধ্যে যদি সেট হয় সেগুলোকেও ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে আলাদা করবে। এলিমেন্টস এর মধ্যে যদি সেট হয় সেগুলোকেও ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে আলাদা করবে। দ্যাট মিন্স ব্র্যাকেটের বাইরে কমা বসবে, and elements more than one হলে you have to use the bracket comma here. তাহলে এই হচ্ছে কারণ পাওয়ার সেটের each and every elements will be the set। তাহলে আমরা সাবসেটের কন্ডিশন থেকে বেসিক্যালি পাওয়ার সেট আসে। So I think now this is clear. স্যার আমার মনে হচ্ছে না যে আমি 9 এ উঠে xc. Okay sir, thank you sir. Next one, the difference. Difference, the normal concept, just do subtraction. The next one, number 8. The difference, like A is a set whose elements is x, y, z. The another set B whose elements is y and z. The another set whose elements is a, x, y. This is the D whose elements is y, z, r. Now the difference means like a difference B, it may be represented by this. The first A difference by B, or A difference B, B difference A, or C difference D. Do not use this symbol A by B, not this one. This is the difference symbol. A difference B, B difference A, C difference D. Not this symbol, this is the divide symbol. My dear students, give attention. In time of writing, you can use this is the difference symbol or this one, but not this one. This is the left corner to right corner, not top right corner to down left corner. This one is the accurate symbol. So now we'll find the difference, like A difference B. A difference B, if we find here A difference B, there's now elements of A, x, y, z, the difference with the y and z, So now this is the easy technique. X will not subtracted, or x is not difference, y the same, so we can eliminate, z the same in the right side, only answer this one. Now A difference C, what will be the result of A difference C? My dear students, please in the comment section write down that A difference C. What will be the difference of A difference C from here? Please in the comment section you can write the answer. Find the difference of A and C. Dear students, please do comments. Find the difference of Jacqueline, Jamali, sir, A and Z. Write down the second bracket, smile, sir, or say A and Z. Thank you. I think absolute answer will be A and, okay, I will try this way, okay. Dear students, find the difference A difference C. Please. Okay, A difference C. তোমাদের ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্টদের ভুল হচ্ছে, কিন্তু ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্টস ইউ আর ডুইং রং আনসার. A difference C. Okay, let me review. A difference C. Which one is the first? A, x, y, z. The difference with C. A, x, y. The answer is only z. এখন তো তোমাদের কয়জনের আনসার হলো, এরপর আমি ডিসকাস করব. Is there any right answer? আমি একজন স্টুডেন্ট পাই নাই যাদের আনসার রাইট ছিল. এখন আমি পাচ্ছি অনেকেই. রাজীব কুন্ডু, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার. ফাহিম, জেড আনসার. ঋষিন দেবনাথ হইছে আমার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার. হ্যাঁ, এই ফার্স্ট কন্ডিশন তোমাদের জিজ্ঞেস করলাম, তোমরা একটু নার্ভাস হয়ে, এখানে খেয়াল করো, সবসময় মনে রাখবা যে রাইট সাইডে যদি লেফট সাইডের কোন এলিমেন্টস রাইট সাইডের সাথে সিমিলার হয় তাহলে সেটা আমরা স্কিপ করব, সেটা বাদ যাবে, এলিমিনেট হবে। যেমন দেখো x, এখানে x আছে, x আসবে না। y আছে, এখানে y আসবে। z এখানে আছে, এখানে নাই, এজন্য z আসবে। এরপরে রাইট সাইডে যদি আরো 1000 টা এলিমেন্টস থাকে তাও কিন্তু এখানে আসবে না। আমাকে মাথায় রাখতে হবে আমি a থেকে a এবং c এর ডিফারেন্স বের করব। c এর মধ্যে যদি মোর দ্যান আরো অনেকগুলো এলিমেন্ট লাইক এখানে a b c d e f g h i j k আমার এগুলো কোনোটাই আনসারে আসবে না। শুধু আমার লেফট সাইড থেকে যদি সিমিলার হয় আমরা সেটাকে এলিমিনেট করব, আর লেফট সাইডে রিমেইনিং পার্টটাই শুধু আনসার হবে। তো তোমরা যারা a ইউজ করছো আশা করি তোমার এখন কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার, এগিয়ে আসবে না। শুধু আমাদের লেফট সাইডের সাথে কম্পেয়ার করব, the similar one will be eliminated or remaining one only will be answered. Just give attention in the left side, not right one. Right one এর মধ্যে আর অনেকগুলো থাকতে পারে। যেমন দেখো আমি আরেকটা एग्जांपल দিচ্ছি তোমাদের। The next one, A is a set whose elements is 1 2 1 2 1 2. B is a set whose elements is 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now A difference B, what will be A difference B? A difference B equals to what? B difference A equals to what? My dear students, please write down in the comment section A difference B and B difference A. What will be the answer of A difference B and B difference A? Please in this maths try to answer this one. Sir, आगे बोलबेन ना. Thank you, sir. Jabrin Jamali. Already you have done this math in class 8. Dear students, please. This is the first question. This is the second question. What will be the answer of A difference B and B difference A? A difference B 1. A difference B 1 is Jahan, Aryan, Jackie, Fahim, everyone you are trying to answer. Okay, B answer. What will be the B difference A? Okay, absolutely right answer. The A difference B answer is 1. Absolutely right answer. আশা করি এখন তোমাদের কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার। Now what will be the answer of B? B difference A. B difference A 3 4 5 6 7. B difference A 3 4 5 6 7. Absolutely right answer. Thank you. Appreciate. This is the first one. A difference B. The A is not the similar this one, so only A is one is answered. And the second one 2 is the similar, so remaining part is 3 4 5 6 7. তাহলে সবসময় মনে রাখবা যে লেফট সাইডটাকে প্রায়োরিটি দিবে, যে রাইট সাইডে কি আছে পার্টটি সেটা প্রয়োজন নাই। যদি কিছু সিমিলার হয় দেন সেটা স্কিপ করে রিমেইনিং পার্টটাই আনসারে আসবে। So I think this concept is clear, that only one remaining part here. I think you know about the union and intersection, very basic concept, union and intersection. Now আমরা এখন একটু দেখাবো, যেমন দেখো the number of student in scholarship school inside this rectangle. Number of student in the scholarship school, we define them as a universal set. And the number of students inside this circle, they are the plus 9 students. And this is the outside. The outside one, this is the outside. They are the students. They are the students of scholars, but not in 9. So we can say here the complementary set. A to the power C, or like this one. A C complement C. So complement set, if we found here the complement set, if this is the universal set, so if we identify the universal set is the number of students in scholarship school and college, but inside this circle they are the students of class 9, but they are others remaining students. So This is the complement. So this one is the complement of set. Complement of set. The complement of set A is a to the power c. Sometimes, or you can write here A prime. Universal set you have to. So how we can identify this one? Complement of set formula we all know. The number of the students of scholars, the difference with the students of 9. This one. So complement, you have to subtract a set or the difference with the universal set. Like this one, the last A is A, B and C. Universal set A, B, C, A, B, C and D, E. So the complement or A prime equals to what? Both are the same, the complement or the prime. Universal, difference of universal set and set A. So we can write AC equal universal set the difference with. Now the universal set, the difference of universal set and the set A is A similar, B similar, C similar, only D and E. I think now the concept of the, so universal set, each and every set are the subset of a fixed set. This set is called the universal set. Each and every set are the subset of a fixed set. যেমন আমরা এখানে বলতে পারি ক্লাস 9 এর স্টুডেন্ট, ক্লাস 8, ক্লাস 7, ক্লাস 6 সবাই হচ্ছে স্কলারশিপ স্টুডেন্ট। সেই স্কলারশিপটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি এখানে ইউনিভার্সাল সেট। সো ইউনিভার্সাল সেট থেকে আমরা কমপ্লিমেন্ট বের করতে পারি। দ্যাট মিন্স আউটসাইড কমপ্লিমেন্ট অফ সেট, তার ওই সেটের আউটসাইডে যারা থাকবে বাট আন্ডার দ্য ইউনিভার্সাল সেট। একটা ইউনিভার্সাল সেটের অধীনে একটা সেট থেকে তার বাহিরে যারা স্টুডেন্টস তারাই হচ্ছে আমাদের এখানে কমপ্লিমেন্ট। আর বাকি যেটা ইউনিয়ন ইন্টারসেকশন, এটা তোমরা অলরেডি জানো, সিম্বল ইউজ করে আমরা ম্যাথ করব। সো আশা করি তোমাদের আর কারো কোনো কিছু জানার থাকলে প্লিজ লেট মি নো ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ এনি কোশ্চেনস। উইথিন এ শর্ট টাইমস আমরা আমাদের ক্লাসটা ক্লোজ করে দিব। আর তোমাদের কোনো কিছু জানার থাকলে প্লিজ লেট মি নো, আই উইল ট্রাই টু আনসার অ্যাজ পার অ্যাজ ইউর কোশ্চেন। আমাদের এডুকেশন সিস্টেম এত ফালতু স্যার, আমরা আশা করি আপনি একদিন এই দেশের এডুকেশন মিনিস্ট্রি হবেন, আপনার পছন্দ মতো সব কিছু সাজিয়ে লিখতে পারবেন। ক্লিয়ার স্যার? হ্যাঁ স্যার, গ্রুপে হবে। আমাদের নেক্সট ক্লাসটা আমি জুমে নিব ইনশাআল্লাহ। আমি বয়েজ সেকশনটা ডিল করব আর আমাদের গৌরাঙ্গ স্যার তোমাদের সাথে আমার যে নেক্সট ক্লাস, এই নেক্সট ক্লাসটা জুম অ্যাপসে হবে। আর বয়েজদের সাথে আমার ক্লাস হবে, আর গার্লস সেকশনটা আমাদের গৌরাঙ্গ স্যার ক্লাস নেবেন। আর আশা করি আমরা 2.1 থেকে আমরা ধারাবাহিকভাবে ম্যাথ স্টার্ট করব। প্লিজ ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, I think sir, if you divide a set by the null cut, লক্ষ্য হবে। আচ্ছা, আমরা একটু ডিসকাস করব। তোমরা আজকে তোমাদের আর কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকলে তোমরা একটু কমেন্টস করে জানাও। তোমাদের সবার এই প্রশ্নগুলো নিয়ে ইনশাআল্লাহ আমি আগামী ক্লাসে আনসার করব। তোমাদের এর পরেও যদি কোনো কিছু জানার থাকে প্লিজ just feel free to comments here. ইনশাআল্লাহ আমি আমার নেক্সট ক্লাসে তোমাদের এই কোশ্চেনগুলো আনসার দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। So my dear students, thank you very much. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes, and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe. Triangular Kamal.